Wait! Stop scrolling. Today, let me show you why you're gonna love it here. So, hey guys, I'm Ian, a video editor and CapCut template creator. I make edits that tells a story, catch attention, and just feel right. On this channel, you will see trending CapCut templates, cinematic videos, short films, and editing tips, all built for creators and viewers like you. So, I've been editing since 2023 and I'm just getting started. And if you want creative content and tools that level up your edits, this is the place. So if you're still watching, hit the subscribe button and join the community. And let's grow together. So that's it.